I'm Yarden Colsey. My project, Old Dog New Tricks. I finished 2019 in public-private. The project is an interactive installation that looks at the parallels with training dogs for war purposes and people. And it takes you through this kind of course and teaches you the story in a confrontational way. You biting on a stick, you're hearing stories, and come and try. It's in Kazerne. It's a roller coaster, ups and downs. Sometimes you know what's up, sometimes you don't. It was quite exciting. I've been to Berlin for one point, started working for an artist I really like, but then COVID came, so things changed. Now I'm in Israel, which is also interesting because there is a lot of things going on, a lot of demonstrations actually for the situation, but it's feeling alive and things are moving, and yeah, it's exciting times. I don't know if achievements. I mean, I had worked for Julius von Bismarck, his artist I really like, and well, here presenting, and I have an exhibition in Germany next month and in Paris. So things are moving. Other than that, I'm a gardener in Israel, so I'm just gardening and making vegetable gardens. Maybe that's an achievement. The biggest challenge is to know how to move yourself, how to basically answer to open calls, starting to take your practice and starting to do something with it, kind of trying to be professional. I think it's something that in school is a little bit not shown enough and not taught enough, and it kind of throws you into a void, and you have to know how to move yourself, and that's quite a challenge. I ran away from Berlin, and actually I started studying permaculture. It's how to grow your own vegetables, and I think it's something a lot of people have now. Like, they want to go back to learning how to produce their own vegetables and their own food, and it's quite interesting, and I think I can also integrate it into my work. So that's kind of where I'm now. I'm building gardens, so yeah. My dream for the future, it's a big one, big thing, but I would really love to make Israel my base currently, and when I come back to work at home, to work on fields, to do workshops about gardening, as I said, and then to also exhibit my work and continue my practice, if it's this project that I'm doing now, or to develop new ideas that I have. So I really wish to go exhibit and come back to my own little patch of land, but that's a dream, so I don't know. If I win, party, no, I don't know, I'll be very happy, and yeah, I'll probably spend a bit more on developing the project, and yeah, I think it's a nice boost, and it can contribute to basically continuing my practice. I would like to develop more the way that I'm telling the story in your mouth, in your stick, and also the way that it's being acted, because it's really a performance in a way. So I would like to kind of make it a bit more light, but also like to play around this borderline between funny and game, and then being played, and it's a bit of a, something that is, it's tough to take. So kind of this border, I want to play more on it.